Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to transfer your XRP from your Ledger hardware wallet to your Kraken exchange account in 2025. With the latest updates, this process is more secure and straightforward, but I'll walk you through it step by step to ensure you don't run into any hiccups. Whether you're new to crypto or just need a quick refresher, this guide will have you transferring like a pro in no time. First off, before we dive in, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need your Ledger device set up with the XRP app installed, your Kraken account verified, and a secure internet connection. Oh, and always double-check your wallet addresses to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto transfers are permanent. Let's get started with the steps. Step 1. Connect your Ledger device to your computer via USB and unlock it using your PIN. Open the XRP app on the Ledger to access your wallet. Step 2. Log into your Kraken account on your web browser. Head over to the Deposit section, select XRP, and generate a deposit address. Copy this address carefully. It's your key to the transfer. Step 3. Back on your Ledger, navigate to the Send option in the XRP app. Enter the amount of XRP you want to transfer and paste the Kraken deposit address. Take a moment to review everything for accuracy. Step 4. Confirm the transaction on your Ledger device. You'll need to approve it physically on the screen to add an extra layer of security. Step 5. Once confirmed, the transfer will be initiated. It usually takes a few minutes to a couple of hours for the XRP to show up in your Kraken account, depending on network congestion. A quick tip: keep an eye on transaction fees, as they can vary, and always use two-factor authentication on Kraken for added protection. There you have it. That's how you safely move your XRP in 2025. If you follow these steps, you'll be all set. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. See you in the next video.